It's more of a workshop video update at the moment. I've missed a couple of days of videoing like I would normally have done, but life just gets in the way at times and things just don't happen the way you want them to. Got a second airline installed. Yes, that is exactly as difficult as you think it was to put up there, especially without a ladder. But we did it, we tested it. We can run this airline and that airline both at the same time off that compressor using two sanders. So we had the roll lock and the belt sander both using at the same time with zero issues off that compressor there. I was bitterly impressed by that. The car's going on a rotation. That coupe's going back to the workshop. It came here from temporarily while we have a HQ come in next week for some rust. We are just so epically tight on space that cars have to go hide in other workshops, borrow space, so that we can actually get our work done, which is unreal. We didn't think we'd ever be this busy. So not the video you expected to see, but tomorrow I plan on doing a video on the XB, which gets delivered tomorrow. The green XB you would have seen in the video. We get that tomorrow. So that's the channel's own car. I mean, it's my car, but it's a car I'm going to do up for the channel, so it's pretty cool. So stay tuned for tomorrow. I'll do a video of the XB. You'll love that one. You can see all the ins and outs of that car. We'll chuck some wheels and tyres on it and see how good that really is. But that's more of a workshop update video this time. Short and sweet, and to make sure I'm still not dead. So there we have it. Hope you enjoy. Like, share and subscribe.